Did you know that Microsoft will end support for Windows 10 on October 14th, 2025? This could impact millions of users worldwide. If you think that's just some random date, think again. It means a lot for your security and your computer's performance. In this video, you'll learn about the implications of Windows 10 support ending and why it's crucial for you to stay informed. We're diving into what this really means for your daily tech life. So, stick around, because you definitely don't want to be caught off guard. Alright, let's talk about the challenges you might face once support ends. First off, security risks are a biggie. Without updates, your system becomes a target for hackers and malware. That's right. No more security patches means vulnerabilities could be exploited. Next up, software compatibility issues. As new software and applications come out, they may not work on an outdated operating system like Windows 10. You could find yourself unable to run the programs you need for work or school. And don't forget about the lack of technical support. Without Microsoft support, you'll be left to fend for yourself. If something goes wrong, you might be stuck with a broken system and nowhere to turn for help. So, yeah, not having support is a pretty big deal. Now, what does end of support actually mean? Well, when Microsoft says support is ending, they're referring to a few key things. First, there will be no more updates. This includes not just feature updates, but security updates too. That's where the real danger lies. Without ongoing security patches, your computer can become vulnerable to attacks. It's like leaving your front door wide open. Additionally, software developers may start to phase out support for Windows 10 as well. You could miss out on cool new features, or even find that your favorite apps no longer work. So, it's not just about updates. It's about the whole ecosystem around your operating system. And what are your options? Upgrading to Windows 11 is one way to ensure you stay secure and compatible with new software. Now, let's talk about why upgrading to Windows 11 is so important. Windows 11 isn't just a fancy new design. It comes loaded with features that can truly enhance your computing experience. You're looking at better security features, improved performance, and a more refined interface that makes multitasking a breeze. Plus, with direct storage and auto HDR, gaming is about to change for the better. But here's the catch. If you choose to stick with Windows 10, you're risking performance issues and missing out on these awesome features. The longer you wait, the harder it might be to transition, especially as newer applications and games roll out that simply won't be compatible. So, really, the question is, can you afford to be left behind? To wrap things up, let's recap what we've covered. Windows 10 support is ending on October 14th, 2025, and this means no more updates, increased security risks, and potential compatibility issues. It's crucial to start thinking about your transition plan now. Don't wait until it's too late. So, what are your thoughts? Are you planning to upgrade to Windows 11? Or are you sticking with Windows 10 for a while longer? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my other tech-related videos for more insights on how to keep your tech life smooth and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.